Hey everyone, this is CS.Harshwardhan Gaikwad from Hgpa classes, Pune. The CA Intermediate Group 1 examinations have just come to an end. Many students are searching for the best classes for CA Intermediate Group 2. We at Hgpa classes are announcing a great new batch for CA Intermediate Group 2 offline in Pune on 30th of May. We have some pretty good lineup of faculties for you. CMA.Kapil Talreja for Advanced Accounting, CA.Raveena for Economics for Finance and Strategic Management, CA.CS.Shweta Jain for Auditing, CA.Preet Kumar for EIS, and myself for Financial Management. Well, don't wait for your results. Start early your preparations for Group 2 and finish up your syllabus at the earliest. Well, for more details, you can dial up the number flashing on your screen, or you can visit our office at the location. You can hit us up on Google and search for Hgpa classes. Okay, so see you soon at the classes on 30th of May. Thank you.